Good morning. Welcome to your second week of virtual school. I just wanted to check in with you. Last week went pretty well, from what I can understand. I had a lot of you check in with me during hours, so that was good. It was good to see you. And I just want to go through a couple of things. I got most of you turned in your projects, so that's good. Remember, those are the only things that are being graded, is what's being turned into Google Classroom. Um, so you'll need to make sure that those things are turned in. So, uh, what do I want to start with? First of all, you're getting a new assignment today. I just posted it. It's the Civil War. It's gonna change. This is gonna kind of be how it's gonna be the rest of the year. So if you go into this assignment, each of you got a slideshow, and each of you get a copy of this. So you're gonna go through, and um, there's going to be all these different resources that you can go in and look through. There's like movies you can watch or like videos you can watch, resources. This is we did a whole thing on slavery. There's also this really cool resource about slave songs and just really awesome stuff that we found, to take you through like why the Civil War happened and what, all these things, different things that occurred to make it happen. And really, westward expansion was like part of the one of the biggest reason why, well, slavery in the West is what caused the Civil War. So what you're going to do is you're going to be looking through these resources, and then you'll get to a page like this where it says, like, compare and contrast the northern states, southern states during this time, added comparisons here. So you're going to edit this, and you're going to add what you found out about the northern states, and what you found out about the southern states, and what you found out about both states. Okay. And then you'll just move on, like, and so you'll get like all these different, you know resources, and then you're gonna have to answer some questions about like why did this happen. So what you're going to turn in is essentially this slideshow filled in with all of the information that you found, if that makes sense. So it's like you've received a book, and it's like a book that you are going to edit and fill, like, answer questions and stuff for. And so it's nice because the book is like, full of videos and other cool resources. This right here, this resource on Abraham Lincoln, it's a page from, uh, I believe it's a page from, it's not, I thought it was a page from, maybe I did add that. Anyway, I can add more resources on him. I would like for you to find out more information about him. So I'm thinking we'll have an extension on him, where we watch a movie and we can have a discussion. So anyway, that's basically how it's going to go through. You have 2 weeks to complete this. Okay. Well, this is the first week. This will be your first assignment, and then you'll get another week where you're going to finish the rest of it. Let me just make sure. Yes. So you'll get another one where you'll finish up the Civil War. So you'll have 2 weeks to do. You'll have 1 week to do this one, and then you'll have another week to do the next one. And so another thing I want to add is, I want to kind of, if you're interested, I kind of want to add some other, because I don't know if people are really getting, like, those of you who are really into history and really into these different resources, I want to like make it, I want to honor that. And so I'm wondering if there's usually we watch Lincoln when we're in the classroom. But obviously we can't do that. So Lincoln, you can probably get it on several different platforms. It's a great movie. It's super long. It's maybe a little over your head at times, but I think it'd be good for you to watch with your parents and discuss it. So, because it shows exactly how an amendment is passed, because you see how the amendment to abolish slavery is passed in that movie. So, I'd love for you guys to watch that and have a discussion during office hours. Reminder that office hours for history are Tuesday at 10, Wednesday at 9 a.m., and Friday at 11 a.m. So if you have questions, and I've had several of you come during those office hours already. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. I hope you have a good week. And yeah, still a bummer that I can't see you, but hopefully I'll see you during office hours, and talk to you soon.